What up, guys? It's Crafty Carl coming back at you with another video. Recently I went to a RC club meeting that I'm in. I'm in a club. I went to their meeting, and well, while I was there, I couldn't help but grab a few things out of a guy's van that, well, I mean, that sounds really creepy, but he's a really good guy, and another guy retired, and he had a lot of stuff that he wanted to donate. So a guy brought it to the meeting and gave it away. So what I picked up is I picked up this extra 300, which is pretty big. It does not have a motor. Yeah, just take the cowling off. There's nothing in there, and it might have some servos, but no servos, no motor. I think it has a fuel tank, but that's about it. And then I got a few other things too while I was at it. I got this extra pair of landing gear, which might come in handy at some point. For the extra 300, I have 2 wings right here for it. Also, I got this. To be honest, I have no idea what it is. If you do know, go ahead and leave it in the comments, because I'd like to know. But really, the only reason I grabbed it was for the motor, because I need a motor for something else that I got. Because a guy gave me an SIG Cavalier, and I guess this is the unboxing video. So let's just get right into it then. So grab my razor. We'll just go ahead and unwrap this. It's like Christmas. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Garbage. Okay, so I've never, this is unopened. I just took off the packaging. It's probably been sitting for, I don't know how long, but let's see, does it have a year on here? No. But basically I've never opened this thing, so here we go. You guys see it first? Okay, let's get into this. First, kick straight off with the plans. Gives you some paper. Oh, that's a nice cowling. More paper. I'm only assuming that's like protective paper. This is the instruction manual, which is nice to have. You got all your landing gear stuff here. Other than that, you got a ton of wood. Oh, and it comes with a cockpit. Oh. Yeah, that's a cockpit right there. Marked a piece of wood. I'm just gonna kind of sift through this and see what we got. Well, there's the wing pieces right here. So, yeah, this is all part of the wing here. There's more of that in there. I'm not going to take it all out because I don't want it to get lost everywhere. But oh, got some more things that I need to read apparently. Yeah, I mean, got a full-blown box of wood. Apparently it all comes together to make an airplane. So, yeah, I guess I'll make some follow-up videos on me building it. If I do that, there will be some follow-up videos on me building it. So, yeah, thanks for joining me, and later.